Now I'll read out some data in front of you, and I'll ask my question. Like this, there's this data. 36% of Gen Zs and 33% of millennials regularly feel stressed or anxious. Ye say their job contributes to their stress level. 62% Gen Zs and 63% millennials say they feel frustrated by the way their organization operates. 60% of Gen Zs and 63% of millennials feel lonely or isolated. 50% of Gen Zs, 45% of millennials say that they feel burned out at work. With over half of burned out Gen Zs also saying that they feel disconnected from colleagues, micromanaged, or that their work lacks purpose. एक तो हम ये देखते हैं कि हर चीज में मतलब ज्यादा परसेंटेज जो है जेंजीज की है दैन मिलेनियल्स, एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर जो पहले वाली जनरेशन होगी उससे उससे कम ही होगी उनकी परसेंटेज। तो कहीं हम क्या इससे ये बात निकल के आती है कि ऑन दी ऑन दी पाथ ऑफ एवोल्यूशन कहीं ना कहीं हमारा जो साइकोलॉजिकल जो है वी आर बीइंग मोर वल्नरेबल समहाउ, मतलब फिजिकली भी जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना पहले जमाने में या पहले वाले लोग इतने स्ट्रांग होते थे, आजकल आप देखते हैं कि द एवरेज हाइट इज आल्सो गोइंग डाउन, physically also we are going down, psychologically also we are going down. It's only like say technologically and mentally probably we are kind of उसमें ज्यादा अच्छा कर रहे हैं as compared to this thing.
ये जो है ना, see, humans evolved. They say they were living in caves initially. Then we were physically hunting, gathering, and then we started doing physical labor. What is our body developed to handle? Our brains have evolved to handle threats like there is an animal, the animal will eat me up. I will not have food. Another human being will kill me. This is the kind of triggers we are known to understand and have evolved with. But with rapid technological advancement, अब कैसे ट्रिगर्स हैं? बॉस आके लड़ेंगे, इंटरनेट पे बेइज्जती हो गई है, ट्रोलिंग हो रही है, हमारे रिस्पॉन्स तो वही के वही है, फाइट और फ्लाइट, या तो लड़ लो या तो भाग जाओ। अब हम हर वक्त, और वो ट्रिगर हर वक्त है, इधर उधर से रैपिड बम्बार्डमेंट हो रही है। सोशल मीडिया पे तुम हो तो चारों तरफ से आ रहा है, ऑफिस में भी वही है, ईमेल्स 24 घंटे आती रहती हैं, फोन से यू आर कनेक्टेड ऑल द टाइम, and our body is responding in fight or flight mode the entire time. That leads to the burnout. 24 घंटे अवेलेबिलिटी है। फिर dissatisfaction क्या है? We compare ourselves to others, and what we see is a curated life of someone on the social media. या otherwise भी ये दिखाते नहीं है एड्स में, so easy peasy office है, you just go 10 minutes you're working and then you take a walk in the nature and then 10 minutes you're coming back, then you again go do somewhere. Work is not like that. So the kind of expectations we are creating with the media कि life is going to be like this, at Instagram की job करोगे या Facebook पे job करोगे तो this is life, that's what is creating wrong expectations in our heads. Also, Gen Z is feeling disconnected because, as Simon Sinek said, कि इनको why नहीं पता है हम क्यों कर रहे हैं। How and what तो पता है क्या करना है, why नहीं पता है, purpose नहीं पता है, बस करना है। So when you find your why in life, you'll feel more connected and not disconnected. And even if you have to work hard for that why, you will do it. So find your why you want to do things. And also, it will take a lot of time for us to evolve from those people that we were, who had real physical threats and had to fight or flight, and understand that this is not fight or flight. I have to take it a little calmly. And for that, you need tools, and you need techniques like meditation or cognitive behavior therapy to understand this threat is not live or die. This threat is not immediate to my life. So that's what we need to understand, and gradually human beings might evolve to understand that. But ये flux की situation and the constant change every single day, technology is changing, the pressure to keep up with it, and the pressure to show a certain kind of life to people is taking a toll on the Gen Z.
So true.
Yeah.
सो आप जैसे अभी आपने बोला कि हाँ 10 मिनट स्ट्रोल ले लो, या फिर अब हम बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखते भी हैं, काफी सारी बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जैसे बीच में भंगड़ा कर रहा है, ब्रेक ले रहे हैं, या नेचर वॉक कर रहा है, ये वो कर रहा है। आई डोंट नो, मतलब आप ये बताइए कि हमें बहुत ज्यादा, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि अपने काम में बहुत खुशी लो, मतलब यू शुड बी हैप्पी डूइंग योर वर्क। सो ये कहीं ना कहीं कोई इसका कुछ, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू फ्रेम इट, बट नेगेटिव कॉनोटेशन भी हो सकता है। हमें बहुत ज्यादा काम ऐसी चीज नहीं है जिसमें हम बहुत ज्यादा दिल, मतलब आपका पैशन होना चाहिए, बट पैशन ऑल्सो डाइज डाउन ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। फिर आप मतलब पैशन भी आपका सस्टेन नहीं कर सकता ना। तो काम को आपको आई थिंक कंसिस्टेंसी और वो सब चीजें चाहिए रहती है। तो इससे बहुत ज्यादा खुशी ढूंढ सकते हैं क्या हम, और खुशी ढूंढना चाहिए भी सही अपने काम में।
Yes, also when I quoted Simon Sinek, he also said कि हम जब when we say that this work is not giving me happiness, my colleagues are not very friendly with me, aren't you putting too much pressure on your work to give you everything that you need in life? Why don't you have a life outside work? You do your work, go out, and he also gave a very beautiful example. पहले क्या होता था कि you go to work and you have friends outside of work. तुम्हारे colleagues friends नहीं है, तुम घर गए, you sit and have a coffee with your friends or talk to them and you bitch about your colleagues and you get over it. अब क्या कर रहे हैं, वहीं पे फ्रेंड्स बन रहे हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जो ज्यादा काम करवा रही हैं वही ग्रुप के साथ वो घूमने जा रहे हैं. Who do you bitch to? If you bitch to one person about the other person, it becomes an office gossip. And it takes a toll on you because that's your social life, that is your professional life, and that sometimes becomes your personal life because you are sitting in such close proximity that they are having affairs at work. So actually, we are putting a lot of pressure on work. Work is putting pressure on us. Yes, we are putting a lot of pressure on work to provide us everything that we require in life. That's not right. Make social connections outside of work and your support system and friends and family who you can go out and talk about work. उससे क्या होता है कि you vent it out. Or your work environment might be a little difficult. If you vent it out, you might be able to survive it. If you don't vent it out, it will keep building up and you'll say ये तो life threatening है, I don't like work here, it is traumatic for me. Why? It is bad but not traumatic because you have nowhere else to vent it out and you're asking everything from your work to give you. That's not fair. That's not fair to ask of any organization to provide you friends, to provide you social life, to provide you everything that you want. Build a life outside work. That is your support system. Work is not your support system. Work is your livelihood. You earn it. Yes, if you are passionate about it, better for you. But don't try to search friends out there. Be friendly there, but don't try to search for your entire life in your work.